let me brief on the case of a minor child who was raped, molested for a number of years. Going by the statement of the child, who articulated very clearly to the counselor of Child Enrolling and to the counselor of CCI, Child Care Institute, run by Nani Maria. The child came from Nepal when he was very small. She can't recall the date or year, but she said that he was very small then. And for years, the accused house owner, Mr. Akar Balung, has been raping and molesting her forcefully, and there has been instances of unnatural sex on the minor. So she ran away from the house of the accused on 2 days before 2nd of March 2021, and on 2nd of March 2021, Team Child Enrolling along with police rescued the child from a village which is away from Roing town 8 kilometers. And after rescuing the child, we informed the Child Welfare Community, CWC, and then the child was after that handed over to the CCI Roing. And till date the child is being kept at the CCI. And as going by the health condition of the child, she is a bit disturbed mentally because of the traumatic experience he has gone through as a small child, because of the crime committed by the accused on her. She needs special counseling at present. And if you look at the case that is underway, as an observer, as we are following the case very closely, CWC, after much pressure from the higher authority, filed suo motu FIR on 22nd March 2021 to IO, Investigating Officer of Roing Police Department, and the concerned IO of the Police Department charge sheeted on the same day, 22nd March 2021, under Section 376 of IPC and Section 4 of POCSO Act. And unfortunately, the petitioner is none other than the biological father of the child victim. And this petitioner, the biological father of the child victim, has filed case against IO of Police Department, CWC and CCI Roing. And the strange thing about this fact is that father has been staying in the house of the accused for the past 3 months or more, and he has been made the petitioner to go against those who are protecting the right of this particular minor. And as a social worker, defender of child rights, it's a big question mark how the father of the victim has been manipulated so much. And if by investigation and legal procedures, if the father himself is found guilty, he should be booked under appropriate law or appropriate acts of POCSO and JJ Act. While listening to the statement of the child stated that when she was produced before the district special court magistrate, accompanied by the superintendent of CCI, superintendent stated that she wasn't allowed to enter inside the court, and the minor victim was alone there with the magistrate. And when asked, the child stated that she has explained to the uncle all those crimes which have taken place by the accused. But I have a question to the magistrate, why he has not allowed family member or the superintendent to accompany the minor child. And as per the JJ Act, there could have been a lady magistrate who will take the statement of the minor victim who has been raped or molested. And why there has not been trustworthy person with whom the child has confidence, in the presence of whom the child could give a honest or sincere statement as to what has happened to her. And there is a question of there is a question to this also, why the child has not been accompanied by the family member or trustworthy with whom the child has confidence. Now, yes, the child ran away from the accused house twice. First time when she ran away, she landed at Arkelo, which is also 8 kilometers away from the town. And then the second time when she ran away, she again reached the same area, to the same auntie's house where she went for the first time. And all these video evidences I have with me, because as a director of child, I have been following up very closely through finding a lot of facts and proofs, and we have the statement stated by the witnesses or whom the child has expressed when she ran away in the village, to the village. Number of court orders has been passed by the counsellor of the petitioner. Number of copies are being issued to CCI, and then here I am very sad to express that the honorable judges that the Session Court has passed arbitrary orders, where the child who has become the victim of molestation and rape under the POCSO Act, who is in need of care and protection, has been not taken into consideration, whereas the counselor of the accused happens to be the counselor has made the petitioner as the biological father of the child. And so the biological father, who is from Nepal, how come that he has been staying in the house of the accused for so long? And the CCI staff, they have photo evidences to show that whenever the father of the victim came to meet the child at CCI, he was always accompanied by the relatives of the accused. And the strange fact here is that biological father has authorized, as per the order passed by the Tezu Session Court, that the father authorizes Ting Hee Dep, who is also the relative of the accused, to be the authorized person to whom the child has to be handed over. But till date, CCI has not handed over to the child because the child needs special care, special counseling, and the legal procedure that is underway has to be really taken up by the CWC, who are the ultimate authority when it comes to delivering justice for the child in need of care and protection. So, yes, I am the director of Child and Growing. My name is R.K. Paul, and I am also the president and founder of AMIA NGO based at Roy. A minor is a minor as per the Act. The child is not mature enough to take right or wrong decision. So here we are concerned about the justice of a child who has become the victim of rape and molestation. No wonder, no matter whether the child is from India or from Nepal, but child belongs to no religion or country. We need to stand for the child. We need to voice on behalf of the child and work towards delivering justice for the child. And as defender of child rights, we need to preserve and protect the sanctity of the POCSO Act and JJ Act, which has been passed by the government of India. And yeah, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.